Hi there. In this video on PMN Online, we are going to cover how to fix Google Drive sharing link not working. We've all been there. You've put a lot of work into creating a document or file that's stored safely in Google Drive, and now it's time to share it with someone. However, you run into a frustrating roadblock. The sharing link just won't work. It's like hitting a wall when you're all set to share your hard work. But don't worry, because today, we're going to sort this out together. We'll go through a comprehensive, step-by-step guide to ensure that your Google Drive links work seamlessly. Let's get started. To begin, you'll need to navigate to your Google Drive homepage. This is where the magic starts. If you're not already logged into your Google account, take a moment to do so. Once you're logged in, you'll land on the Google Drive homepage where all your files and folders are stored neatly. Next, you'll need to locate the specific file you want to share. This step is crucial because selecting the wrong file might lead to sharing incorrect information with others. Once you've found the file, click on it to highlight it. Highlighting the file is essential as it allows you to access the sharing options. Now, look for the share icon at the top of the page. It typically looks like a little person with a plus sign next to it. Clicking this icon will open up the sharing settings. These settings are fundamental to solving our problem. Within these settings, you'll want to review the access permissions. Make sure the setting is adjusted to anyone with the link. This change is vital as it transforms your file from a private one to a publicly accessible one for anyone who gets the link. In many cases, this adjustment alone can solve your sharing issue. After adjusting the permissions, it's wise to check your internet connection. Ensure that it's stable and strong. A weak connection might interrupt the sharing process, causing errors or incomplete uploads. It's a simple yet often overlooked step that can save you a lot of trouble. Moving forward, if the problem persists, it's time to look into your browser settings. Click on the slider icon, which will direct you to the site settings in your browser. It's essential to regularly clear your cache and other temporary data, as these might be causing the error. In the settings menu, find and select the option to delete data. This action will remove any stored cache or cookies that might be interfering with the sharing process. Don't worry, this won't delete any of your files from Google Drive. It merely clears local browser data that could be outdated or corrupted. By following these in-depth instructions, you've taken significant steps to fix your Google Drive sharing issues. Once you've tried these solutions, you should enjoy a smooth and seamless sharing experience that Google Drive is renowned for. Hopefully, this tutorial on PMN Online helped you understand how to fix Google Drive sharing link not working quickly and easily. For more helpful guides like this one, be sure to subscribe.